today in this question, we are asked to solve for the mass of iron chloride produced. So first, we need to identify which is the limiting reactant by solving moles of each reactant. So mole of iron is equals to 27 grams divided by 55.85 grams per mole. This is equals to 0.483 mole. Next, we have mole of Cl2, which is equals to 27 grams divided by 70.90 grams per mole. This is equals to 0.381 mole. Next, we solve for mole of iron needed to react from Cl2. This is equals to from 0.381 mole of Cl2 times 2 moles of iron is 3 moles of Cl2. This is equals to